Hello, my name is Ognjen Grazdanovic and I'm going to try and teach you everything you need to know about programming PIC microcontrollers with mikroC Pro for PIC. So mikroC Pro for PIC is a compiler which you can program PIC microcontrollers with C programming language. So if you want to learn anything about PIC microcontrollers, go to this website called mikroC.com. I'm going to give the link in the description of this video, and scroll all down over here and go here to resources. Now here in resources you can click eBooks, and this is all the free books Microelectronica gives for free. So here you can learn about all kinds of microcontrollers. Not only that, you can learn about some digital filter design, some components of electronic devices. So if you don't know anything about electronics, you can go here and click components of electronic devices. So it basically introduces you to resistors, capacitors, coils, transformers, transistors, diodes, etc. So if you don't know anything about basic electronics, you can first go to components of electronic devices. It's a free ebook. And if you don't know anything about electronics, one book that I recommend is called Practical Electronics for Inventors. So you can buy it on Amazon for $21. And the author here is Paul Short. So this is a great book where I recommend to begin for beginners to learn about electronics. So if you don't know anything about basic electronics, so those two books are really good. Now, this is a book that I used to learn about PIC microcontrollers. So there is no need for me to give any tutorials about the microcontroller. You should you shouldn't, believe me, watch video tutorials. You should read a lot of books. It's really hard, but it pays off at the end. So if you want to learn about PIC microcontrollers and programming in C, you should go to this website mikroC.com/ebooks and go here and click PIC microcontrollers programming in C. Now in this particular book, I think you can buy it. Just let me write here, PIC microcontrollers. Let me just see if it's gonna pop out. Yeah, I think you can buy it, but I'm not sure. If you want, you can buy it, but it's free and it costs $19. So here you can read all about PIC microcontrollers, and there are examples that you can learn over here. Now there are 3 chapters you should read about, or you should read, and it is called World of Microcontrollers, Programming Microcontrollers, and PIC 16F887. So this is the microcontroller I'm going to use in the following examples. Now here at below you can see the examples they gave, but I'm going to give a lot more and not particular the same that they did. Also, Microelectronica produces a lot of development books. So this is the development system for this particular book, and it is called PIC5. No need to worry, this is an old development board, and if you don't have money, that's not a problem. I'm going to simulate as much as I can on a program called Proteus. So in Proteus you can simulate this particular PIC microcontroller. If you have a newer one, it's all okay and it's all good. You just have to learn about the microcontrollers, that particular microcontroller that development system has. So this is a great book to learn PIC microcontrollers. Please, if you don't know anything about electronics, first read those 2 books I already gave to you, and before you start programming anything in mikroC Pro for PIC, please read these 3 chapters, especially if you're watching my 3 video clips. Now, if you don't have the program, you can click here mikroC Pro for PIC. Now, this is a free program only if you use programs that are smaller than 2 kilobytes. So you can click here download, and if you don't, and install it. It's easy to install. If you want to buy the license lasts lifetime, forever. The license costs $270, so $270, $269, but or you can wait if they have any special offers at a particular time. So download it. Okay. We won't use any if you're a beginner, we won't at the beginning we won't use programs that are larger than 2 kilobytes. So thank you for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video. Also look at the comment section, maybe you can find the link of the playlist of all the tutorials that I'm going to give you with this microcontroller. Goodbye and have a great day.